Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Subaru Crosstrek 2023, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the oil change. So let's get started. Alright, so what you're gonna need is 5 quarts of pure W20 full synthetic oil. And this is the oil filter. Here we have the reference XG7317. This filter is for 20,000 miles. And to collect the oil, we're gonna use this Lego box with 2 plastic bags. And then afterwards, I'm going to put the used oil in the original containers so I can take it to Home Depot for its correct disposal. Alright, so let's come underneath the car. We're gonna look for this protector, so we don't have to take it off. We just have to come this way until you see this open spot right here, and you're gonna look for this bolt. We're gonna use a nut number 17. Pretty much. There we go. Okay, we're gonna get the container ready right here. Okay, it's dripping. So we're gonna wait like 15 minutes. Alright, so now we're gonna look for the oil filter. It's located right on top of the engine. Right here is this one. So we're gonna take it off. Just like this. There we go. I just wanna clean where the new filter we're gonna sit on. We're all good. I'm gonna take the new filter. New oil filter. I'm just gonna tighten it by hand. Just when you feel that the seal squish in, it's done. Just tighten it by hand. We're gonna proceed to put the bolt in the oil pan. So let's take the container. This is what we had. We're gonna put this aside, and we're gonna come underneath the car. So now, I'm just gonna tighten a little bit. We're all set. There we go. So I cut this water bottle to make a funnel. And let's put the new oil. Alright. Alright guys, and this is how you change the oil in this Subaru Crosstrek 2023. So if you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.
Want to open here the office? On the left-hand side, there's actually a red tank. You can put that stuff out.
Okay, got it.